Hi, hello everyone. This is me. My name is Hori Proshad Roy, and I think you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty, and I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty. So today I'm gonna talk about my village. So let's talk about the topics. Okay, so let's start it. Actually, I live in village, and it's my village, as we can see. My village name is Kornupur, as it's Moghalat Union and Lalmonhead district, also Rampur division. So it's my actually village. So and this moment at this time I'm practicing English, so that's why I'm making this video. Purpose of my practicing English. Okay, so I'm learning English. So this is my practice session, and we can see there are many kinds of tobacco field and potato fields behind me. Thus they are planted, and I really to be honest, I really enjoyable this moment because of I think every person likes blaze environment situations. That's why I'm making and I'm practicing. Actually, in this time, I don't have any partner, so that's why I'm making this video in my blaze and with me. And I always try to speak English without hesitation, but it can't be think it's not as a beginner, as a first time, it's not easy. But I can practicing day by day, every day. I will try do my best. So in future, I strongly believe that I will be success in my life. So without practicing, I strongly believe that I can't practice English. I can't fluent in future without any kind of hesitation. I can speak. I strongly believe that. So that's why I'm practicing English in my place, and in future I wanna good public speaker and good human being. So that's why I'm learning. I'm practicing English with my place and early annual. So this is the things. So when I feel I don't have any partner, so that time I am just making this video and I am practicing in front of me with my mobile phone, and I am trying to do my best with speak in English, and it's not easy, so but I will try. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video you can share this video like your friends, your family persons, your relative, as you can want. And until then everyone will be fine, so till then take care. Okay, bye bye.